Hello beautiful buds, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another ethical subscription box review, and this is of Toki Box. So if you haven't heard of Toki Box is a vegan subscription box, and what I really like about it is that it combines like lifestyle and beauty products with snacks, which who doesn't love snacks? I'm not vegan myself, but I do try to eat plant-powered as often as I can, and I hope that one day I'll be able to transition to at least being vegetarian. It's really hard, and I do one day a week where I eat meatless, but I am trying to up that as much as I can. So with Toki Box, I have some new snack options as well as some new lifestyle products that I'm going to unbox and show you guys right now. So first of all, how much my aesthetic is this box? It's yellow and it has like little line art flowers on it. So cute. All right, so we have Happy Vegan Halloween. Welcome to our October box. Ooh, okay, so this has the list of everything that's in here, so I don't want to look at that yet because I like just unboxing it and being surprised and then looking at the details after. And there's also a little card in here. This is from their founder, Gabriella, who is the absolute sweetest, and if you don't follow her on Instagram, you definitely should. I believe it's just like at Toki Box, but I'll double check and put it down here because she posts the most aesthetic Instagram stories of NYC, and I live for them. She said, "Hi Megan, thank you for joining our influencer team and welcome to our vegan gang. Your subscribers can use code MEGAN5 for a $5 discount. Place orders until the 10th of November to get this month's box." So I actually didn't know that was going to be a thing. You guys get a coupon code because Gabriella is the sweetest. So thank you to Gabriella for giving us that coupon code MEGAN5 to get $5 off your first box, and also thank you to Toki Box for sponsoring this video. So opening it right on up, this is what it looks like. Lots of goodies in here, it looks like. I'm gonna start with the biggest thing first. Ooh, this is from Milk Labs, and it's toasted coconut and cassia cinnamon oatmeal. Non-GMO, no refined sugar, vegan, and it's only 230 calories. And I love this because the ingredients are all things I recognize. There are no like weird chemicals in here. It's just gluten-free oats, coconut, almonds, organic coconut sugar, cinnamon, and Himalayan pink salt. That is really cool, and I love that it's single serving too. This will probably be really easy to like grab and go for breakfast. Just like pour some hot water in it and like take it almost like it's a travel mug. Very cool. We'll do a lifestyle one next. So this is the Omit candle. I think Omit is the name of the company that Toki Box partnered with to make these candles, but it is like Toki Box branded, and I believe it was just made for this box. See if I can open it. This is so pretty. Ooh, it smells so good too. So this smells like when I make lavender scones. It's got like lavender petals and crystals on the inside. Oh, it smells so good. So the candle is a $13 value, and it says, "Inspired by moonlight, this candle is custom made by our friends at Omit specifically for this month's box." So this is like a Toki Box exclusive. I love it, and it smells so good. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing in here, that says Wild Minis, and it looks like crushed nuts maybe? Let's check the card. Oh, they're cacao nibs. That's cool. I can use these in my acai bowls in the morning. And it's like, you can open it, but then it's resealable after that, which is really cool. That is really cool. This is never something that I've had in our house, so I'm excited to try them. Then next we have this. It is Macro Life Naturals Macro Green Superfood. And I think this is like a smoothie powder. And there's a coupon inside in case you want to buy the full size. So on the card here, it says Miracle Reds, and it says this month's superfood is a miracle powder made with organic ingredients like goji berries, acai powder, and papaya. But I don't think that's the one that I got, so maybe there are like different like options, because mine is definitely like greens and not like super red. But yeah, it says that one glass is the equivalent of 5 servings of fruits and vegetables, which is awesome. And I love like meal supplement things like this because they're just so easy and they make me feel like I'm still doing something good for my body. Oh, and there's another one. Okay, so there's another one of the same thing. So I got 2 of those. Then we have this little baggie, which I think is another lifestyle product. Oh my gosh, how funny. So if you guys saw my unboxing for the Bombay and Cedar subscription box, I literally got this exact same thing, and it smells amazing. It's like a roller ball, and it's made with essential oils, and there are little crystals in the bottom, and the scent is earth, which is the same scent. Oh, this is amazing because I have used a lot of that other one, so I'm super stoked to have this. And that is by Jamie. I'm pretty sure I said the exact same thing in the Bombay and Cedar video because I couldn't tell. Love by Jamie. I'm not sure. but it's a $24 value, which is amazing. And it does last a long time. I can tell already because I have this exact same thing and it has lasted me a long time. Okay, there's a few more things in here. This one is Nature's Bandit Mango Apple Fruit Sticks, which sounds really yummy, and I'm just now realizing how hungry I am. And then we also have that same Nature's Bandit brand, and this one is the Mixed Berry Apple Veggie Fruit Sticks. And these are only 90 calories per serving, which is really cool. And then lastly, we have this little duo. So this is a peanut butter, dark chocolate, and sea salt bar with raw superfoods. And there's also a coupon in case you want to buy more of these. You can get 50 cents off. And I love dark chocolate and peanut butter, so this is like right up my alley. So all together, we have a power bar, 2 servings of these fruit sticks, 2 servings of the Macro Life drink powder, cacao nibs, oatmeal, and then the candle and the fragrance, which both smell amazing. So that is it for the October Toki Box unboxing. I love all of this stuff, and this box is only $35, which is really cool considering that like the fragrance alone is a $24 value, and you get all these snacks and a candle, and it's obviously different every month too, so you're gonna get a variety of things. So remember to use code Megan5 to get an extra $5 off of your first box if you decide to order it, which I definitely recommend because this all looks amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please let me know in the comments down below what your favorite subscription box is, and if you have any that you're curious about that you want me to review, because I know subscription box unboxings are some of the most popular videos I make, and I want to make content that you guys love. As usual, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!